At ReAgent, we design and install chemical manufacturing equipment that enables us to supply our customers with bespoke chemical products. Here's an example of a recent installation of two 25,000 litre ISO tanks, plus a 25,000 litre ISO delivery tanker. ISO tanks are large stainless steel vessels used for the bulk storage and transport of liquids, gases and powders. In this new process, raw material arrives by road tanker and gets pumped into one of the new ISO tanks. This tank is heated to maintain low material viscosity, ensuring it remains pumpable. Some of this raw material is then pumped into a separate 15,000 litre stainless steel mixing vessel, which is mounted on load cells for precise dosing. Powdered components are added via an inline high-shear mixing system, and we also add deionized water from a 20,000 litre tank. We then blend this mixture to make the finished product. Once blended, we carry out analysis in our in-house laboratory, testing for pH, density, solids, ash and acid content. After QC approval, the finished product is pumped into the ISO storage tank, where it's held until collection. Upon collection, it's pumped into an insulated trailer-mounted road tanker that keeps the product below 40 degrees Celsius to extend its shelf life. This fully integrated system supports a seamless end-to-end operation to ensure ongoing supply. If you need a chemical manufacturing solution built around your operation, get in touch today to discuss your requirements.